they're going to face a lot of those decisions in the months ahead, I'm sure.
Yeah, we used to have principals call in sometimes and ask us, and they may still happen in the morning because I don't work the morning shift anymore, and it was always like, I can tell you what the forecast is, I can't tell you the right decision necessarily, but that
the
good
tough part
old-fashioned,
oh no, go ahead.
the good old-fashioned snow day when there was no work to do whatsoever. like when I had a snow day, it wasn't like, but you got to do.
But you can work from home.
Yeah,
you can do homework on Zoom.
No communication between the teachers and the students. It was like, that's it.
Those were the days, man. Those were the days.
I feel like a bit of a boomer saying that, but also I just think it is better. Like it's just you're done.
That was the fun of a snow day.
Right. That's the whole point. That's the whole point. I don't want to do work. I'm still that way. 24 current temperature in Portland, 24 in Buxton, 21 in Freiburg. To the north, 15 in Frenchville and Greenville. Going to be cold tonight, obviously. Kind of took our temperatures over the last few nights and mirrored them. I don't see a whole lot of difference here. Berlin got down to 8 below last night, so at least 4 below. 5 in Bangor, 8 in Waterville, along the coast 10 to 15 degrees. So cold. This is midwinter stuff. This is much colder than average for this time of the year. This is kind of the last part of this really cold weather for a while, at least. We are starting to moderate by tomorrow afternoon. It's not going to be warm, but we'll get to 32 to 37 or 36, depending on your location. So it'll be a bit nicer. It's still going to be sunny, so that's nice. Warm front comes in tomorrow night, and we get into the warm sector for the weekend, which is a relative thing. 40 to 45 on Saturday. The mountains probably upper 30s. More clouds you can see on Saturday, and that continues into Sunday. Sunday we have a chance to get to 50, but it will be pretty cloudy, and the showers will be just to our west here through the afternoon. That's that cold front we talked about. I think most of us hold the rain off until after sunset. The only exception might be Oxford County. It's going to be right on the line there. This rain comes through, it's heavy, but what we're really watching is the wind Sunday night and into Monday. And I've kind of flagged this since Monday that I didn't like the way this looked for wind, and I still feel that way. I will say there's been a development that helps us a little bit. There's a low here now instead of back to the west, and it's hard to explain in any period of time that'll work here on TV, but that's good for wind. It makes it a little bit lighter, I would think, along the coastline, especially through Sunday night and into Monday. That being said, the same model that develops that low puts out wind gusts 30 miles an hour at 10 o'clock on Sunday, and then about 40 miles an hour at 2, 3 in the morning, and gusting to 50 miles an hour by the early morning through the middle of the day. You can see a couple of upper 50s, low 60s there into down East Maine. We'll have to try to figure that out. I will say I've noticed that a 62 in Rockland is not the same as a 62 in Portland. As far as outages, it's just not just population density, just the ruggedness of the coast up there is different, and it seems to make a big difference as far as how many power outages we have. So we'll keep an eye on it. It's still going to be very windy, guys. We will have power outages. The question is magnitude: 50, 100, 150. You know what I mean? Like that's kind of where we're at right now, and we keep refining it.
And no surprise, the power crews are already planning for this.
Yes.
But they're keeping an eye on people like you.
I know. My contacts from CMP are already messaging me. So that's good. That's good.
It's good
to be ready. Yeah.
They're on top of it. All right.